students, now we have studied up to the process of implantation where chorionic villi has been made, interdigitation has taken and implantation was completed. Now after implantation, what happens there? The inner cell mass where division was taking place, embryonic development was going on. Now inner cell mass differentiates into ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Three germinal layers are made. Ectoderm is the outer germinal layer, mesoderm the middle germinal layer and endoderm the inner germinal layer. These three germinal layers has been made with inner cell mass, while the trophoblast has been involved in the implantation. Now inner cell mass has made these ecto, meso and endoderm, and all these three are the cells which gives rise all the tissues and all the organs of the adults. In adult body, whatever the organs and tissues are found, all things are made by these germinal layers. These are also called three germinal layers. Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm are what? These are the germinal layers. These germinal layers are responsible for all the types of structures made in the human body. Now, one more thing is here, that inner cell mass has stem cells. What are stem cells? Stem cells are totipotent. They are quite capable to make the tissue, the organ, whatever is required, wherever it is required. If these stem cells are there, they will make that structure and fulfill the requirement of that body part. So the stem cells are very important. These can get the structure, shape, function of all the types of tissues or cells. Now, so it means it has complete preparation in an embryonic development. There is the complete preparation to make the whole human body properly. Now, what happens, how these structures, ecto, meso, endoderm and stem cells are involved to make the different body parts? Remember, the gestation period of the human body is about 9 months. 9 months pregnancy, that is the gestation period. In this gestation period, gradually different body parts have been made. In the first month, the heart is first of all made, which sound can be heard carefully with the help of a stethoscope. So heartbeat can be heard in the first month, up to the end of first month. Now, by the end of second month, we can see formation of limbs and digits are there. Limbs and digits are made. Limbs, forelimbs, hind limbs, hands, legs, and digits means fingers, you can say. So these are made. In the third month, what happened? Third month means first trimester. Third month is also called as first trimester. In the first trimester, most of the organs of the body system has been made, or most of the organ systems are made here, such as limbs are properly developed, made, external genitalia are also made here. And keep remember, because of this reason only, the different types of illegal activities to find out whether the forthcoming baby is male or female, the tests are being done in this third month onwards. After the third month only, they are doing whatever the illegal processes are being done to find out the child's sex, which is a type of crime also. Now, fifth month, by the end of fifth month, the first movement of fetus. Yes, movement of fetus can be seen here. Hairs can be found on the head. Hairs are made on the head. Movements of the fetus can be seen. So, and sometimes baby may kick by his legs in the uterus of the mother, which can be felt well by the mother. Now, by the 6th month or 24-week, 6th month completion means that is the second trimester. Second trimester, by the end of second trimester, body will have, whole body will have, not hairs on the head, whole body will have fine hairs. Eyelids will be separated. The eyelids will be separated. Now eyelashes are made also here. So all the hair structures has been prepared. Now up to the end of 9 months, or that is the third trimester, that is the end of the gestation period. Here what's happening? The baby is ready to take birth, and the act of birth of the baby is called as parturition. Now we will see how the parturition takes place. In case of parturition, act of birth of baby, or that is called also delivery of fetus, takes place. Delivery of fetus will take place. How it will take place? It will take place by the vigorous contractions of the uterus. And this contraction of the uterus has been induced. Contraction of the uterus means a type of peristaltic movement will take place, and because of which the baby will move downward and come out into the world. So by vigorous contraction of uterus it will take place, and for this process relaxin and other hormones are also required. But first of all, these have been induced by the complex neuroendocrine mechanism. That is the hormonal as well as nervous system support. So neuroendocrine mechanism will give signals from the fetus and placenta, and the process will take place. Now we will see something more about parturition and lactation, and we will try to finish